Once upon a time, there was a couple, Alex and Mia, who were deeply in love. They had been married for several years and were each other's rock. Alex was a struggling artist and Mia was a successful businesswoman. Despite their different career paths, they supported each other's passions. One day, Alex's art studio was destroyed in a fire, leaving him devastated and unsure for his future. Mia, however, saw an opportunity for him to pursue his dreams. She encouraged him to use the setback as a chance to showcase his art globally. With her support and belief in him, Alex began to create art that inspired people worldwide. His talent and determination led to international recognition, and he became a renowned artist. Meanwhile, Mia's business acumen and encouragement helped her company flourish. Together, they proved that when partners support each other's aspirations, nothing is impossible. Years later, Alex turned to Mia and said, "You were the spark that ignited my success. Your unwavering belief in me made all the difference." Mia smiled, knowing that their love and partnership were the keys to their achievements. This story highlights the power of a loving and supportive partnership, showing that when we believe in each other, we can overcome any obstacle and achieve greatness.